Hi viewers, making 3D model used to be time-consuming. But now with AI technology advances, there are tools that can easily turn a 2D image into 3D model in seconds. So in this video, I am going to introduce two methods to easily do that. Without any more delay, let's jump right in. Method 1, Dream Gaussian. The first tool we are using is Dream Gaussian. You can access it in Hugging Face. It provides several examples for you to try out. You may also upload image here. The images I am currently using are generated by HitPaw Photo AI. It can create up to 4K fantastic high-quality images with numerous art styles for you to play around. Create stunning images quickly and easily. Link to this tool will be in the description. Feel free to have fun with it. After importing an image, click on the Generate 3D button. Dream Gaussian will then start processing the conversion. The entire process may take around 2 to 3 minutes to complete, and there you have it. We can preview the 3D model by dragging the canvas. The lower one is the refined version. You can tell that the model is very much alike the image we upload, though some details are not that perfect and the textures are looking scrawled. It's a significant step of image to 3D model. You can then save it on your device and further edit the 3D model. Method 2, Stability AI recently partnered with Tripo AI to develop Tripo SR, a cutting-edge technology that converts images into detailed 3D models. We can see the demo examples from the official blog. They have already released the model weights on Hugging Face, so you can install it on your device if you have powerful hardware. To show you how it works, I will simply access it through the official site they provide. Here you can upload your image. Take this one for instance. Click on Create, and seconds later, we have this rough 3D model generated based on the original image. Not so perfect, but you can click on the Refine button to get a better version. After refining, this one is better now. You are able to customize the output format and retopologize level and save the 3D model on your device. Besides the tools we mentioned, Stability AI just released Stable Video 3D, which can deliver greatly improved quality and multi-view of 3D models. The model weights are also put on Hugging Face for users to install. Link is in the description. All right, here are some useful AI tools that can assist you in transforming any 2D image into a 3D model. Video for your assistance. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for latest AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching.